Golden delicious apple crisp with graham cracker crumble. A warm, cozy dessert that tastes like homemade apple pie without the crust. Ingredients: filling is 6 to 7 golden delicious apples, peeled, cored, and sliced thin. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon allspice, 1 tablespoon flour, it's optional for thickening, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, that's also optional, it keeps the apples from browning. The topping is 1½ cups crushed graham crackers, about 10 full sheets, half a cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a cup or 1 stick of melted butter. I used golden delicious apples harvested from my garden. Harvest time is usually in September. Autumn/fall, around mid-September. These are the late bloomers I picked in October. Next, slice and core the apples. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. And butter the pan. In a bowl, toss the sugars and spices. Toss the apples so they're evenly coated. In a separate bowl, crush graham crackers, add the brown sugar and cinnamon. Add the melted butter. I added walnuts for an optional twist. Line the bottom of the pan with apples, then sprinkle topping over the apples. Place in the middle of the rack and bake for 35 minutes. Enjoy!